Alright people, we in the Mopar section. And we got ourselves a Mopar. Oh man, check it out. 1975 Plymouth Valiant. Hey man, I'm sorry I couldn't, it's all this here, man. I mean, beggars can't be choosers. And yes, she's a Mordor. What's that say? Custom. This car hails all the way from Louisiana. Got a bit of a issue going on there on the fender here, but otherwise, I would say straight, but I forget the guy. Somebody commented on one of my last videos, and they are like, oh, you do know that straight doesn't mean that it's got little dings and whatnot, like dents and whatnot. Yeah, I'm sorry, man. I'm so sorry. I wasn't aware of that. Anyways, so yeah, we got a little 4-door. Oh man, look at little duals right there. It's not really dual exhaust. I looked under there. Anyways, we got a set of the matching set of the rallies, little 14-inch rallies there. They were working on this car, man, and they just stopped. I guess somewhere, maybe 7-8 years ago or whatnot. There's a carburetor there. When I opened the trunk, you know what I found? Check this out, man. I found this thing in the trunk. This bad boy. Look at that. So that's going home with me. So anyways, you can see they put these aftermarket headlights on it, but they're like yellow, and they've been on for a while. You can tell. The front bumper looks okay. Grill for the most part is okay, except right there. Hood, I'm gonna say, oh, I do see a few little dings and whatnot on it, but I mean it's usable. Like I said, both fenders got the little issues, or major issues, depending on how you want to look at it. There's another one of those wheels. There's actually a fifth one too, but that one's a newer wheel. Glass is cracked in the front there. Oh man, oh. So, every time I see one of these, it reminds me of a Blood In and Blood Out. Anyways, great movie. I love that movie. Forget that guy, the actor's name. He's a good actor. But the tail lights, oh, it's cracked. Tail lights cracked. That one looks to be okay. Back glass is good. This one looks pretty nice, man. Yeah. But I don't think these things really have much demand. I'll tell you, they even, check it out, man. Here's the back seat, the top part of it. Here's the bottom, and they redid these seats. But spend a little money redoing these seats. There's what's left of the build sheet. Not much is left on it. But yeah, they spent a little money on redoing these seats. Oh crap. Found it in here. The black with the center, with the white on there. Somebody had a 4-door, they needed some seats. And I also found this one over here. This is the fifth one to it. This is a newer one, I'm assuming. It's really nice too. It's not exactly the same as the others though. Yeah. It is muddy. I don't really want to get on the floor. Let's open it. Gotta love the house carpet. I'm assuming, right? This hard? No, this isn't house carpet. This is some. I was thinking it was house carpet. Like I said, we did the. I like this style of seats, but in a 4-door, she got that mold. In a 4-door, these aren't going to go back. You know, I mean, a forward. You know, so. But like I said, there's nothing wrong with this seat. You know, not ripped or anything. They took the steering wheel, dropped the steering column, the gauge cluster's gone. Dash pad's cracked. Nothing there. They even had they put some sound deadening. But no, it's actually a newer. I guess this was a newer one, right? Yeah, they put a newer carpet in there. Like I said, they were working on it. We'll look under the hood in a second. Check it out. American Racing. There's the van honor. Ten of 74. And under the hood, most likely, we have a leaning tower of power. I don't know if that's a newer distributor or a cat, or maybe, I don't know. There's all the come on now. 225, 1975. See that though? They added this, I'm assuming, on this. Did this one not come with disc brakes, this car? I mean, 1975? I mean, that looks like an aftermarket like a conversion deal to me. I started to take these wheels. I even, you know, because they didn't. Come on now. See, had these freaking lock nuts on it, right? So I used an impact socket that I had. And I thought about taking them, but it's like, you know, the tires are not, even though they're really not good, but they're gonna want to charge me for the damn tires, man. I don't feel like, you know. So here's the disc brake setup on it. Looks like they redid the suspension too. Looks like it, some of it, anyways. So I can turn that light on. Yeah. Right back off. But yeah, that is the deal, man. That's the deal with this one. Well, somebody was making a little cool little cruiser out of it, but in the end, well, you know, she ended up in the yard. Maybe somebody will get a few more parts off before they you know, send her onto the crusher. All right, people, on to the next one.